Hello everyone, good evening. This is our project Purti Jewel near EM bypass, Topshia, Tangra, and you can see this is our sample apartment of 888 square feet, sellable area, 2 BHK with 2 toilets, and you can see this beautiful living cum dining area, L patterned, and adjacent to that you can see this is the beautiful kitchen space along with the L pattern black granite countertop along with stainless sink and a big French style window with exhaust points, and with this beautiful extended countertop. Just give you a glimpse how you can decorate your apartment. So this is the main entry of the apartment, and this is the living cum dining space along with this beautiful French style window. And come this side, this is the lobby space, and on my left side this is the common toilet space. Common washroom is having separate space for bath, wall mount commode and the basin space, and just outside the common toilet this is the outlet and inlet point for washing machine with modular switches. And now come this side. So on my left side again, this is the first bedroom. So see the first bedroom. It's an excellent first bedroom with having square size, with having a big size French window and another big size wardrobe space along with TV units. And the size of this bedroom is approximately 11 feet by 11 feet. It's a square size. And just adjacent to that, this is the master bedroom with having another attached toilet space. So this is the washroom attached with this master bedroom with separate space for bath, wall mount commode and the basin area. And see the space of the master bedroom. It's huge, and with this big size French window, wardrobe space and a king size bed along with the beautiful wardrobe space. Just to give you a glimpse how you can decorate. And see, here you can decorate your TV unit. So it's an excellent apartment with maximum utilization of space. This is the 2 BHK 888 square feet sellable area with having 2 bedrooms with 2 toilets and kitchen. Excellently designed living cum dining room. So thank you for watching. If you are interested, then please call as early as possible. We are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses. Thanks a lot for watching. Please stay tuned for further updates and subscribe for more details. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.